How's it going, you guys? It's Scott with the Everyday Home Repairs Help channel, and today I want to quickly show you how to cut MC cable to length, not damage the conductors inside. We'll just use some simple vice grips or channel locks or like the Knipex slip joint pliers like I'll be using. So let's jump into it. Cut resistant gloves are highly recommended when dealing with metal clad or really dealing with metal junction boxes as well. You can kind of get sliced open pretty quickly. We'll take our first pliers on the one side of the mark here, and we'll take our other set, and what we want to do is we want to open it up against the actual coiling that is from the manufacturing process. So we're going to work against that direction, and all you really got to do is just rotate it, and what that does is it opens it up and it undoes the coil. So we don't need too much there, but what we're doing is opening up the spot that we actually want to cut. So that's where your tin snips or your old side cutters will come into play. So what I'll do is just take my time, make sure there's no conductors in that way. And sometimes it's a two-cut process, sometimes you'll get it in one. You can also work it back and forth and that will open it up. But really, to get off that run, it's as simple as that. Now I would not want to leave my metal clad in this condition. I'd want to kind of work that back into shape before I put my connectors on and my bushings on. And then usually what I'm trying to do is push that back in like this, where we can work that down. So we have our cut, but don't forget, I'll leave the paper or the plastic wrap on, and I'll go ahead and grab myself a bushing. It's a lot easier to get this bushing around if you have that plastic or paper in place, because you're going to work that bushing down into the metal clad. So now we're going to be protecting our conductors from the sharp edges of the metal clad. As always, all the parts and tools will be in a link below the video in the description. If you want to see 2 other methods of cutting metal clad cable, check out this video right here. I'll run you through those other options. If you need a little help on the proper connectors you should be using to bring metal clad cable into metal junction boxes, check out this video right here. So thanks for joining us on this video, and we'll catch you on one of those next ones. Take care.